Hey, what's up? Today we are looking at the new wireless earbuds Tronsmart Onyx Ace. They have similar design to Apple AirPods, but they are definitely not a clone. Perhaps the new earbuds from Tronsmart are even better than Apple AirPods in some aspects. Also, they are much cheaper, only $30 on AliExpress and other Chinese stores. So let's do unboxing and full review of the new Tronsmart Onyx Ace. The box is very bright. There is the image of earbuds and main features on the front side, such as Qualcomm aptX, touch control, 24 hours of playtime with charging case, etc. On the side face, we can see the guy using these earbuds. On the back, there is full specifications list. Inside the box, I found the earbuds and charging case separately. There is also user manual and USB Type-C charging cable. Unfortunately, I don't have Apple AirPods to compare them with Tronsmart Onyx Ace side by side. However, they really look very similar, especially in the ears. The earbuds and charging case are available in white and black colors. As you can see, I have a white version. The size of one earbud is 37 by 17 mm. The weight is about 3.5 grams. The charging case, it has a pocket-friendly size, 57 by 48 mm. The weight of charging case is 38 grams. The earbuds have touch control buttons on the outside and a very bright LED light. The microphone and charging contacts are at the bottom. The charging case has 4 LED lights that say about battery level. There is also USB Type-C charging port at the bottom. Everything looks fine with these earbuds and charging case. They have very good size and weight. The earbuds fit well in the ears, and they don't hurt during a long use. However, I don't really like this glossy white plastic. It looks pretty cheap, don't you think so? Okay, now let me show you how to connect the earbuds to smartphone. It is very simple. You don't even need to take the earbuds out of the charging case. All you have to do is open the charging case, then go to Bluetooth settings on your phone and choose Tronsmart Onyx Ace. That's all. By the way, these are true wireless earbuds, so you can use left and right earphone alone. The new earbuds from Tronsmart offer all kinds of control. You can volume up with single tap on the right earbud and volume down on the left earbud. If you want to pause the music, then just tap the earbuds twice. Press and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds to play the next track and the left earbud to play the previous song. You can also answer the phone call with double tap or reject the call with double tap. If you want to call the voice assistant, triple press on any earbud. Alright, it's time to talk about sound quality. Tronsmart Onyx Ace are equipped with 13mm speaker driver. There is also aptX, AAC and SBC support. First, I want to remind the price of these earbuds, only $30. For this money, the sound quality is very good. The sound is clear and there is even good bass. If you like powerful bass, you can add them in equalizer on smartphone. However, I like the default sound. I didn't notice the latency when playing games or watching videos. That's because Qualcomm 3020 chip inside the earbuds. By the way, I forgot to tell you that Tronsmart Onyx Ace use Bluetooth 5.0 for connection with smartphone. As for the microphone quality, it is very good. The earbuds are equipped with CVC 8.0 noise cancellation. You can talk in a crowded place and you will be well heard. Finally, let's talk about battery. Each earphone is equipped with a 40 mAh battery. The charging case is 400 mAh. The manufacturer promises 5 hours of playtime on a single charge with 50% volume. With charging case, you can use the earbuds for 24 hours. I think that's very good battery life. By the way, the charging time of earbuds inside the case is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Also, you will need 1 hour and 30 minutes to charge the case with USB Type-C cable. To be honest, I didn't expect much from these $30 wireless earbuds. However, I'm impressed by them. Yes, they look quite cheap to me because of glossy plastic, but they have everything you need from TWS earbuds, such as Bluetooth 5.0, volume control, mono and stereo mode, charging case with USB Type-C port, microphone with noise cancellation, long battery life and good sound quality. Tronsmart Onyx Ace are one of the best wireless earbuds under $50 in 2020. If you want to buy them, I will leave the links in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.